Henry Ford, the innovator who changed the world. Henry Ford was an American industrialist and entrepreneur. He was the founder of the Ford Motor Company and is widely credited with revolutionizing the American automobile industry in the early 20th century. Ford was born on July 30, 1863, on a farm in Greenfield Township, Michigan. He showed an early interest in mechanics, and began experimenting with machinery and engines at a young age. After completing a basic education, he worked as an apprentice machinist and later as an engineer with various companies. In 1903, Ford founded the Ford Motor Company with a group of investors. He revolutionized the auto industry with the introduction of the assembly line production process, which allowed cars to be manufactured quickly and efficiently. This process made cars more affordable and accessible to the average consumer. By the 1920s, Ford had become a wealthy industrialist and one of the most influential figures in American business. In addition to his contributions to the auto industry, Ford was also known for his social and political views. He was a strong believer in the benefits of capitalism and free enterprise, and he was highly critical of labor unions and government regulations. He was also a pacifist and was opposed to World War I. Throughout his life, Ford became increasingly involved in philanthropy and charitable causes. He established the Ford Foundation in 1936, which became one of the largest philanthropic organizations in the world. Henry Ford died in 1947 at the age of 84. Despite his controversial views on certain issues, he is remembered as one of the most influential figures in American business and industry.